Okay, guys, come, let's start. First of all, anybody who is new today, pelajar baru, Singson, anyone new today? If got, just let me know. Let me know what school you're from lah. All right. Okay, guys, welcome to chapter 2. Guys, for those who are new today, right, I have completed chapter 1. For those who are new today, I've completed chapter 1. And if you miss the lesson, it's all right, guys. It's all in the recording. It's all in the recording. Just go to the Google Classroom, key in the code, and then we are able to you're able to view all the videos there. Okay, so there are a total of 15 topics in Form 4 Biology. So guys, we officially enter chapter 2 today. Let's start. Now, chapter 2, the topic is cell biology and cell organization. This is where you really get to experience what biology is all about. And guys, chapter 2 is important because it is the foundation for all the upcoming topics. Means if you are strong in chapter 2, definitely it helps a lot, guys. It helps a lot in chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, chapter 7. So sometimes when students start to be serious, they start to be serious a bit later topics like chapter 6 or 7, but then because foundation is not so strong, so it affects all the other topics as well lah. Yeah. Okay guys, so from here on, whatever you learn is very important for exam, especially your first test Okay, so look guys, we are learning components in animal cell. So this is back to the organelle that I told you. Guys, this is back to the organelle that I told you. Guys, in the animal cell, this is the smallest organelle. So based on what I told you in electron microscope, what's this? Very good, ribosome. Guys, the smallest organelle is ribosome. Next, I think is something you are quite familiar with. Guys, this one here at the center, we call this nucleus. This we call it nucleus. And guys, in the nucleus, something new to learn. Actually, the nucleus is divided into 3 main parts. We'll look at it later. Let me teach you one of it first. Guys, in the nucleus, right at the center, baby nucleus. Wow, what is baby nucleus? I think next time you can name your kid baby nucleus. Alex, what's your surname? What's your surname, Alex? You can put nucleus and then your surname. What, Lee? Nucleus Lee. Guys, right at the center here, this is nucleolus. Right at the center here, this is nucleolus. Okay, we will learn the organelles first. Once we are used to it, then only we hop into function. Baru kita tengok function. Okay, next. Guys, I call this hot dog. Guys, I call this hot dog. If I were to draw it, this is how the hot dog looks like. This is how the hot dog looks like. Guys, this is known as mitochondria. This is known as mitochondria. This is known as mitochondria. And next, let me tell you first, we call this centrals. Guys, we call these centrals. Centrals, they look like many cylinders joined together. Guys, centrals look like many cylinders joined together. And the last one here, guys, the last one here is, let me put it this way. Let's say on a Saturday night, guys, you and your family go for dinner. You enter the restaurant, you sit down, you grab the menu, you order food. Guys, after you order food, what do you do next? After you order food, what do you do next? So far, every class, the answer is the same. Find a seat. No, you are already seated. That's why you're able to order. You already ordered the food. Why you call the waiter again? I don't understand. Ah, play phone, play phone, play phone. Steal other people food, you will get kicked out. But never mind lah, that one you have to own self solve ah. Guys, all the classes that I asked, sure 80% of the students, I mean other classes lah, they say play phone. Yeah, play phone. But nobody say talk to family or very few. Very few. Yeah. As you play phone, some of you may ask for the Wi-Fi, guys. Some of you may ask for the Wi-Fi. Okay. Now, so this structure here, this organelle here, looks like the Wi-Fi. Nampak seperti Wi-Fi. Guys, I call it Wi-Fi with balls. I call this Wi-Fi with balls. Wi-Fi with balls. But of course, got other name lah, huh, guys. Okay, so the structure that looks like this is Golgi apparatus. This is Golgi apparatus. Talking about Wi-Fi, guys, talking about Wi-Fi, just to share with you, my neighbor here, he was in the top management of telecom. He was in telecom, then he was in Petronas lah. You know lah, once you work until a certain stage, you have very high ranking, you go to another company also is high ranking lah. Anyway, he shared with me, my neighbor, he shared with me that Khor, he calls me Khor lah. Khor, when you go to restaurants, when you go to a hotel, don't use their Wi-Fi. Jangan guna Wi-Fi mereka. I asked him why. He says because when you use their Wi-Fi, they're able to see what you are accessing. They're able to see what you are accessing. So if they have some hackers around, they can hack your information. Yeah. So one good advice here lah, guys, if you go out, but now these kids are very rich, quite a lot have mobile data, or if not, the parents will share data to the kids. Guys, this is Golgi apparatus. This is Golgi apparatus. Let's go through the same thing once, then we move on to another slide. Guys, ribosomes, can you tell me the keyword? Can you tell me the keyword for ribosomes? Yes, small. Smallest organelle. What is inside nucleolus now? What is inside nucleolus? Hey, sorry, bad question. What is inside nucleus? Nucleolus, Nucleolus. Guys, the hot dog. Yeah, Fangit, Genshi, Honor, Achana, yeah, mitochondria. Just take note of the spelling. Please take note of the spelling. And then, if I were to share with you that these are centrals, what is the keyword that you can give me? Guys, what is the keyword that you can give me? Pair, yep. And the last one here, this is a Golgi apparatus. No, please don't write Wi-Fi with balls, Alex. Don't write that. If you write that, don't say I teach you bio or you mention some other people. Okay, guys, are you alright so far? Hello, are you okay so far? Okay, let's move on to the next stage. Guys, let's move on to the next stage whereby we learn even more organelles. The outermost layer, what is it known as? Last time you learned the outermost layer. Guys, we call this cell wall. This is an animal cell though. Vacuole. Hey, hello. This is an animal cell. Where got vacuole? Where got cell wall? Cell membrane. Last time you guys learned this as cell membrane. Dalam BM membran cell. But now, guys, you have to learn it as plasma membrane. You have to know it as plasma membrane. Dalam BM membran plasma. Okay, next. Guys, the fluid of the cell. The fluid in the cell, we call it cytoplasm. We call it cytoplasm. Revision, just to check with you, what is the function of cytoplasm? Last time you all did learn. Function of cytoplasm. Yes, a site for chemical reaction. Yeah, biochemical reaction. Golgi apparatus. This is a ribosome. You can see it's a very small dot. I'll be slowly introducing the functions to you guys. For ribosome, right, the function is to carry out protein synthesis. Ribosome carries out protein synthesis. Protein synthesis means they produce protein, menghasilkan protein. Mitochondria. Question, mitochondria, what function did you learn last time? Yeah, all the classes use the same one word, powerhouse. Powerhouse. Later we'll see, it produces energy, menghasilkan tenaga. Menghasilkan tenaga. Okay, nucleus. Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on first. Let me show you one more. This is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, while the one on top is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Question, what difference do you notice if I... Wow, so fast. If I circle for you, what do you see? What difference can you see here? This is smooth. The other one is rough. Okay, guys, what's the difference? What's the difference? Pimple, black dot, rough and smooth. Dots on the rough one. Yes, correct. Okay, so let's say this is endoplasmic reticulum. Let's say this is endoplasmic reticulum. Because of the black dot, okay, I'll let you guess one more round. What do you think the black dots are based on all that's on the left here? Based on all that's on the left here. Very good, ribosome. Guys, because on the endoplasmic reticulum, there's ribosome. Because got ribosome, sebab itu permukaan kasar. The surface is rough. Because the surface is rough, that's why we call it rough endoplasmic reticulum. And because smooth don't have ribosome. Because smooth don't have ribosome, that's why it's smooth licin. Dalam BM kita sebut jalinan endoplasma licin dan juga jalinan endoplasma kasar. Jalinan endoplasma licin, jalinan endoplasma kasar here. Alex, very good question. Put public, come on. Put public. Put public. Okay, thank you. Why smooth don't have? Why smooth don't have ribosome? Actually, the question should be why does rough have? It's not why smooth don't have. It's why rough have. Guys, check. Tell me what's the function of ribosome? Synthesize protein. Guys, synthesize protein. Rough ER, they have ribosome because, guys, after the ribosome produce the protein, rough will actually transport. Rough endoplasmic reticulum will actually transport the protein. So, guys, we call this protein transport. We call this protein transport. Okay, protein transport. And since I'm telling you the function of rough ER, let's check out smooth ER. Guys, smooth ER function is lipid synthesis. Function is lipid synthesis. Very good, not bad. Some of you know. Actually lipid is fat. Lipid is fat, but you'll learn in chapter 4. Guys, you'll learn in chapter 4. Lipid is actually fat. Lipid is actually fat. Yeah. We'll come to this again. Alright, last one for the moment is lysosome. Last one for the moment is lysosome. What color do you notice here? Guys, lysosome, what's the color? What's the color? Orange. Okay, what else looks orangey here? What else looks orangey here? Okay. Actually, is this Golgi apparatus. Sir, why does Golgi and the lysosome look of the same color? Because guys, Golgi is the one that produces the lysosome. Golgi produce the lysosome. Okay. Yeah, central. Keyword for central. Guys, keyword for central. Cylinder. Yeah, cylinder. So with that, guys, I want to ask you, what's the outermost layer now? What's the outermost layer now? Plasma membrane. Next. Very good. Ribosome. Okay. Ribosome. This one here. RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. I mean, when you type, you can type short form, but later when you fill in the blank in the exercise, write in full, because you have to get used to the spelling first. If you know rough, definitely SER, very fast. Short form students are really quick ones. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, jalinan endoplasma, licin. Guys, the Wi-Fi with balls, I have to stop saying that. Golgi apparatus, mitochondria. Guys, mitochondria. Centrals, what's the keyword again? Centrals, what's the keyword? Cylinder. This one here? How about this? Yes, how about this? Cytoplasm, the fluid, cytoplasm. Nucleus. And the last one on top. Guys, something round but bigger than ribosome. Something round but bigger than ribosome. Lysosome. Lysosome. Okay, last one before I give you some time to try out the fill in the blank exercise. Outermost layer. Plasma membrane. This one, guys, this one. Nucleolus. Inside the nucleus is nucleolus. This is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. You guess, this one you guess. Very good, Savish, Yuanqi. Lysosome. Lysosome. And then centrals. Okay, centrals. So it's so small I cannot see. Guys, so small. Ribosome. Okay, ribosome. This Golgi apparatus. Mitochondria. This one is smooth ER. Sorry. Oh yeah, I missed the dot. Guys, this is rough ER. Last part of the organelles before we hop into the function. Guys, I want to ask you, plant cells, what do they have that animal cells don't have? What organelles do plant cells have, but animal cells don't have? Yeah, three things. Cell wall, chloroplast, and vacuole. Easy question. So look at this. Guys, look at this. We just go through one round will do, because all the organelles are same, except plant cell don't have one thing. Plant cell don't have one thing, which we call centrals. Plant cell don't have centrals. Okay, guys, look, what's this? outermost layer. Just now, outermost layer for animal cell is plasma membrane. Yes, Yuan Qi, yeah, Alex, Salvage. Outermost layer here is cell wall. Yeah, Achana, yes. Next, nucleus, very simple. Guys, this is actually rough ER. This is actually rough ER. How about this? This is not smooth ER, but instead this is Golgi apparatus. Later, I'll teach you how to differentiate smooth, rough, and also Golgi. Vacuole, chloroplast, and cytoplasm. Last one, your turn. Last one, your turn. Mitochondria. Okay. So guys, learning bio have to be like this. You get to know the thing well and then go through again and again. Yeah, that's why slides are the best. Slides are the best. Not share screen. You know, like I can do this also, guys. I can share screen my notes, then I tell you, oh guys, this one is mitochondria. Not fun to learn one. When you join tuition, it has to be something fun. It has to be something interesting, not too dull. And if you join, worse still, you join tuition, you feel stressful, then it's the wrong tuition ini. Pergi sekolah stress, lepas sekolah pun stress. It's not the way lah. It should be something that you feel, wow, so I feel comfortable. Yeah. So I find this is a good method to recap whatever you have learned. Guys, we are moving to the last part of today's lesson. Let's go through the functions of each organelle. Let's go through the functions of each organelle. Now, first of all, ribosome, I told you earlier. What's the function? Guys, what's the function? Carry out protein synthesis, correct. Carry out protein synthesis. Nucleus controls all activities in the cell. Mengawal semua aktiviti dalam sel. Mitochondria, guys, mitochondria. Now the thing is this, I was actually waiting for somebody to ask, but nobody asked. So what's the difference between mitochondrion, mitochondria? Mitochondrion is singular, mitochondria is plural. So which one to use in SPM? Just use mitochondria. Just use mitochondria. Yeah. Mitochondria, earlier I call it a hot dog. Guys, what does hot dog give you? What does hot dog give you? Energy, yes. Mitochondria produces energy, yes. Fanjit, Alex, Yuan Qi, okay, Salvish. And coming to centrals, guys, coming to centrals, in order to replace dead cells, what process need to occur? In order, listen, in order to replace dead cells, dead tissues, what process must occur? Cell, yeah, make new cell. What do we call that? Cell division, guys, cell division. Cell division, pembahagian cell, one cell become two cells become four cells. Okay, guys, now I draw sideways. Last time I used to draw this, but whenever I draw this, I don't know why students get very happy, they get very excited, then the boys are laughing. I don't know why lah, guys. I got no clue why they, yeah. So now I draw sideways is okay. Dirty mind, is it? I don't know, guys. I got no clue whatsoever. Okay, so for centrals, they carry out cell division. One cell divide become two, two become four. Yeah, cell division. For Golgi apparatus, guys, for Golgi apparatus, yeah, for Golgi apparatus, what are all these first? What's this group? Including amylase, protease, lipase, zymase, all these guys. What do we call them? Katisha, yes. Alex, okay. Yeah, Fanjit just now. Guys, enzymes. Did you know that all enzymes are protein. Guys, all enzymes are protein. So you mean every single one of them? Yep. We will learn in chapter 5. We will learn in chapter 5. Metabolism and enzymes. All enzymes are protein. So how? Golgi will modify the protein into enzymes. Again, we'll learn this in part 5. And finally, guys, Golgi apparatus, they form lysosomes. They form lysosomes. Okay. Wow. We'll touch on cancer in Bab 6, cell division. Bab 6 is cell division. Now remember earlier I said if your chapter 2 is strong, other topics will be alright. Look. This is, you'll find this in Bab 7, guys. This one is chapter 5. This one is chapter 6. This one is chapter 5. This one is chapter 5. So that's why chapter 2 is literally the foundation for all the other topics. It does help, it definitely does help. Plasma membrane, their job is like your gate, your house gate. What does your house gate do? Guys, what does your house gate do? Keep me in. Oh, your mom lock. Don't let Alex go out. Lock. Got sensor on Alex, go out. Quickly close. Guys, is to separate outside of the house from inside of the house. Look, plasma membrane separate content of the cell from the environment. Asingkan kandungan sel dengan persekitaran. Yeah. And guys, your gate is to filter who move in and who come in and who go out. Is to filter who actually goes in or go out. So here same thing, guys. Plasma membrane function is to regulate movement of substances, control what move in and what move out. It allow oxygen in, CO2 out, water in. Okay. Okay, lysosomes function is to carry out food digestion. Yes, no doubt, as you eat, your digestive system will break down the food. But guys, these small food particles will be absorbed into the animal cell. Lysosome continue to break it down. Lysosome continue to break it down. And it also will destroy any damaged organelle. Anything that rosak is like your majelis perbandaran, majelis bandaraya, like Ipoh is MBI, majelis bandaraya Ipoh, like Shah Alam is what, MBSA, majelis bandaraya Shah Alam, MPSJ. So it will help to clear all your rubbish. Yeah, here lysosome will help to destroy damaged organelles. Okay, guys, in the lysosomes, right, later we'll see in my notes, lysosome, they have enzymes called lysozymes for these two purposes. Lysozymes are used to digest food and also to destroy damaged organelle. Okay, destroy damaged organelle. Okay, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Do you remember the function, guys? I think this one is the last part already. Do you remember the function? Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Just like I told you, this one. Protein transport. Very good. Okay, very good. Protein transport. Smooth ER carry out lipid synthesis. Guys, lipid is fat. Means they produce fat. Later in my notes, there's one extra function, detoxification, have to remove for rough ER. Okay, have to remove for rough ER. I'll let you know lah. Alright, I'll let you know.